Jesus, I think I've messed up too much. I keep making the same mistakes. I keep falling. And now I feel like I'm too far gone. What if you're disappointed in me?
I could never be disappointed in you. I already knew every mistake you would make and I still chose you.
But why do I keep failing?
Because you are learning to depend on my grace, not your strength.
I feel ashamed. I feel like hiding.
Shame makes you run from me, but I am the safest place you can run to.
What if people knew the real me?
They would see your brokenness, but I see who you're becoming.
You forgive me again?
Do you remember the woman everyone wanted to condemn?
The one everyone wanted to stone?
Yes, they saw her worst moment. They wanted to define her by her mistake. I did not shame her. I restored her.
So I'm not too far gone?
You are never too far for my mercy.
But what if I mess up again?
Then you come back to me again.
You won't get tired of me?
Never. My love for you is bigger than your mistakes.